Measurement of density. Density, as discussed earlier, is the mass of a solid or liquid or a substance generally per unit volume. For solids, of known masses m, we obtain the density by using the displacement method to get the volume. So from the displacement method, the volume V is given by V2 minus V1. Then we apply the formula density is equal to mass over volume, so that we get the density by having m divided by V2 minus V1. Remember, for regularly shaped solids, we can get the mass by taking measurements using devices that are meant for measuring mass. Then calculate the volume from the formula and divide the two to get the density. For liquids, we obtain the density by following a procedure. We get the mass m1 from top unbalance, then measure a known volume V, by using either a measuring cylinder or a burette or a pipette. Then transfer the liquid into the beaker. Measure the total mass m2. From m1 and m2 we obtain the mass of the liquid inside the beaker, so that the mass of the liquid is m2 minus m1. We then apply the formula density of the liquid equal to mass of the liquid, which is m2 minus m1, divided by its volume that had been obtained from the measuring cylinders or any other device of the same kind. Density can also be obtained from a device that we call a density bottle. A density bottle is a small glass bottle fitted with glass stopper, which has a hole through which excess liquid can flow out. In using the density bottle, we proceed by finding the masses of the liquids and then applying the formula that has already been discussed above, so that the density of the liquid is equals to m2 minus m1 over the volume. In using the bottle, one needs to take the following precautions in order to allow for effective use of the bottle. The outside of the bottle must be wiped carefully. One must ensure that no air bubbles are in the bottle when filled with a liquid. The bottle must be held by the neck when wiping it dry. These are the 3 precautions that must be taken to ensure effective use of the bottle.